unboxing Riddle and AJ Styles.
This 2-pack championship we just picked up at where was it? Walmart.
Yeah.
See? Look at that. So awesome. Look at that. So let's open it up. Let's open it up. So we got Kane and Edge. We got Ric Flair and Big Show already. This is our third one. Is it made of super glue or something? Let me help you. There we go. There we go. It's like Christmas again for you.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Hey, I'm AJ Styles. I'm Riddle. So, these are always pretty cool. Gold plated Matt Riddle. And we got this pretty cool. The phenomenal one, AJ Styles. Gold plated. Let's check out the characters. What the heck? They didn't put... Does he wrestle without any boots on? He wrestles in his bare feet? I didn't know that. He got bare feet. Looks like he actually looks like a surfing dude, man. Are you sure this is a wrestler?
Yeah.
No, he's a surfing dude.
No, he's a wrestler.
Cool. Look at the detail on his face. Looks pretty cool.
Long hair.
And let's look at AJ Styles. Nice detail. Looks exactly like him. Matt Riddle looks like he's from Baywatch or something.
I'm here to wrestle. Hi.
So what you think about those?
Good.
They're awesome?
Yeah.
Nice.
Long line.
I think they look exactly like them on the pictures.
Oh my god. Oh.
Halo's already smashing them. This guy wants to go surfing. Surf's up, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, who hit me? So, these look pretty good. High quality detailed face. $29.99 Canadian. Walmart. His arms only move sideways? What the? Oh no, they move up and down. Pretty cool.
Look at this. Oh.
And Kato's already wrestling with his new toys. He scratched them all up already. Let me check out this AJ Styles. Wow, this is nice. It's got some, what kind of language is that? Japanese or Chinese or, I'm not sure.
Korean.
Korean. They're pretty cool. So, if you like these characters, go pick them up at Walmart or Toys R Us. Thank you for watching.
Bye, different wall.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, bye.
Bye-bye.